Exactly. It looks good on the numbers. It looks good on the numbers.
Yeah, because Zach is fucking stupid, right? He still thinks he's gonna get like a private equity buyout offer for his company and be made whole.
Yep.
He's so jealous of Morgan and Morgan's exit. He has no idea. That like Brett said,
Yep.
that Morgan got like a 10-figure, like not 10-figure, 8-figure.
Yeah, he got a payout. I don't blame him. I mean, yeah. Hey Jeff, I gotta go here. I gotta hop on this thing. I'll talk to you soon. All right, let me see if I'm live. Am I live? I am. All right, gang. I gotta get them to change the bottom. Obviously, I'm not doing a 10 a.m. overnight holds. That is not correct. So give me 1 second. Replace maybe? Join. I think I could do it. All right, I just changed it, Deanna. Let me post the link and we'll get rolling. Today should be a lot of money. Lots of moolah today. Make sure to hit the thumbs up. And let me post this. Oh, man. All right. Oh, can we write a
What's up? What do you want to do?
update to close half the position around the open with TSLL up 5%?
Yeah, which service is that again?
Update the Google document
Yeah, what's your service? Our number.
for Tesla.
Tesla, yeah. Let me send a note to Jeremy real quick. You said update to what? Oh, God, it's frozen.
Look to close half the position of TSLL calls at the open with the stock up 5% and Tesla rallying.
Okay.
All right, I just posted overnights. I got to learn how to type. All right. The TS. Oh yeah, and then Jeremy, can you update the perfect Tesla trader, the trade tracker, and put the calls in there? I got filled at 1:30 for TSLL, March 21, 7.5. I think it was. Yeah, 7.5, 7.7. Pardon me. Just let me know when that gets done, and then let me grab the screen. Where is that? All right, here we go. Ooh, look at me. Showtime at the Apollo. All right, we're going to follow the tab. window. Can you follow just a specific window? No. Yeah, I think I can. All right, we should be just seeing the E-mini S&P, or all the charts, pardon me. Let me know if that works. Ooh, I don't know which one I had before. Let me see what YouTube this looks like. Welcome. We'll get rolling here in a minute. Just trying to see what layout we want to do. It takes a little bit of loading time. I thought when I do the entire screen, let's see how this looks. If you're on the Financial Wars YouTube, go ahead and join Lance Ippolito YouTube. All right, I'm going to do a different screen sharing. Let's just do the whole screen. Make it easier. Oh, okay. I got your autograph. Amanda just sent it to me. So thank you for that. And I will be posting it here soon on the Telegram today. But thank you. So what happened? You ran in Tennessee? Oh, Joy. I wanted to go to Jeffrey's event. I'm mad I didn't get the invite. To be honest with you. I'm mad I didn't get an invite to Jeffrey's event. I'm very mad. No one invited me. I would have went to Tennessee. That I would have. Maybe not today with the gap up. So maybe not today if we sell off in the first 30 minutes, yeah. But we have a 1% move. I think I'm going to avoid 1% moves because that's what got me in trouble yesterday. So we might not do with the gap up. The market makers move is about $4 on the SPY. And we're up, what, 5 pre-market? So we kind of already exceeded the market makers move. But if we sell off in the first 30 minutes of the day, then yeah. If we rally, then no. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Vegas too. I am. Badly. I want to go to Vegas. All right, let's get rolling here. And let's first start with some of the news. It's going to be a pretty big day, so that should be good. We got long some names yesterday, so should be getting the reward today. You know what I mean? And let's go see what's moving. I never know how to work these emails. I hired, and I think they start next Wednesday, an executive assistant to help me be organized, because Lord knows I am not organized at all, But let's see what's moving today and get to it. Gold hit a new highs. Silver's bid. My only fear is everyone's talking about gold and silver right now. So gold probably is going to come down. And technically that would be good for stocks. So you got to win there. China's up a lot. I saw some BABA calls yesterday. I should have took them. I was a little chicken. The 140s for April 4. So that should be good. China's bid. China's been hot. I know we're in a correction, but China has been hot lately. So I don't know. I've been buying. I put $250,000 in the stock market this week. So actually probably more, probably 300,000 total. So I'm a buyer of the market. I'm not a bear. I don't know if that's blind, permeable speaking, and we have margin call Monday again, but I mean, I put my cash to work, so hopefully I'm right. Hopefully. Beyond Burger or Bed Bath & Beyond had Marcus Lemonis as the profit by more stock. He's only down a few million, so we will not be following him. Ooh, this is a good one. Jeremy, maybe let's do Best Buy for Alpha Sweeps today. The CEO bought a cool $1 million in stock in Best Buy. So what retail slowdown? That's a big bet. He bought shares at $72.93 in Best Buy. Ooh, I like that. Maybe go out to some April 75 calls or something, or 70s, depending on where the stock is. Let's see what else we got overnight. We got Peloton up 8% on an upgrade. We've been seeing some Peloton calls, so another sneaky bastard. The March 10 calls. A little sneaky rat got leaked. And then American Express AAOI is up on an Amazon deal. This was one of my top stocks, and it's down 50% year to date, and now it just rallied 50% this morning. So talk about a hard way to make a living. Alta's up, DocuSign's up, retail is back. I think Kramer said, this was a few days ago, buy retail stock. So if you waited a few days, you'd probably do good. Then that's pretty much it. 10% correction. So everyone's bearish. I don't know if everyone's bearish. Probably want to be bullish, right? You know, everyone's bearish. Got to be bullish. All right, let's start with some of the names this morning. I just got a, yeah. Oh yeah, Robinhood, I had a cool $1 million bet. You know, I was going to do these for warped options, but I forgot we have a class today at 10:30. Yeah, that March 25 deep in the money call buyer, 1.3 mil. So we're going to probably do, I think, Hood or Onion or Hood or Baba for warped options. How much is Hood up pre-market? Rocket had more calls. Hood is up $1.50. So not bad. Not bad. So I do like this chart in the Hood. You know, again, everyone's bearish, so can't see the full page on your trade exchange. Let me try to change that. Hold on. Oh, wow. My head is so big. Let's see if this works. Wow. I did not know my big head was blocking the screen. Wow. This is we might have to go to Zoom. I'm using some like stream thing. Let me see how this looks. You know what it is? It's the screen sharing's wrong. All right, here's what I'm just going to share my broker. Why is it still my big head so big? I mean, there's lots of reasons, right? But I don't know. You're going to get a big head, I guess. Did it change? No, because you're only seeing the very end. Very weird. I don't know. All right, but let's just go to some markets. So I don't know what happened to the screen sharing, but we might have to go to Zoom and then live on YouTube. So the Hood, I've been using a volume point of control or volume profile, pardon me. Hood pulled back into support. A lot of stocks are pulling back into support on volume. So, some real good shopping opportunities, in my opinion. Obviously, if we gap down tomorrow, you know, that'd be pretty poopy. Or, I mean, Monday. If we have margin call Monday, that would suck, but you know, got to take the risk, right? If not, you're going to be late to the party and then, you know, be an economic nerd and never make money in markets. So another trade I did yesterday was the onion. Telegram, I don't know, Brad. So did anyone take these onion calls? Because they're up a lot already. So, you know, again, if you don't have the news flow scanner, please get it so you're not trading naked. Look at this bet yesterday on the onion. I tried sending this out, but it was just too late in the day. So I posted it on Telegram. The onion had almost 400,000 of the weekly 46 calls. Hello, Stacy. So these calls, they bought for 75 cents. Pardon me, 71 cents. The stock's up $1 pre-market. So these calls are going to probably double. So that trader's going to make 400K overnight. It's not a bad little payday. And man, Deanna, I might have to go back to Zoom. I can't do this screen thing. It's all messed up on the I don't know what happened to it, but it did. Let me go back to the entire screen. Yeah, now it's not even showcasing the full screen. So I might have to go back to Zoom and then just broadcast on YouTube. If you're in the financial wars, YouTube, go ahead to Lance Ippolito and just, because we probably won't stream anymore over on that one. But the onion had these 400,000 calls. I mean, how do you not take those, right? And if you're in the option pit, I posted these in real time. So, you know, it's going to be a big payday. I took the onion calls yesterday, and I'm already up 40% on them. So, you know, that's going to be a huge payday, right? So again, all we're doing is copying odd stocks, institutional order flow. You know, is this stock tied to the market? Hell no. It's the onion. They make the shoes. So, you know, again, just finding a honey badger, right? And sticking with it. So those calls will probably be up, you know, near a double, depending on where the stock opens. So that will be good. All right, we got a little airplane outside. Let's talk about my darling Tesla, shall we? Should we talk about Tesla? Do y'all think I'm an idiot for buying Tesla yesterday? The option pit, I don't know. I don't think there's openings. You'd have to call in, and I don't know if we have the onion, or if I don't know if someone could post the number, but I don't think there's any openings. So Tesla, I don't know if Deanna can post. Maybe I can't. Tesla is pretty rock bottom, right? I mean, this has to be the worst stock in the entire market. Why? Well, quite frankly, everyone hates Elon Musk, or at least the media does. But you know, we did pull back to some support. And I mean, again, this is probably me being too bullish. But if you think about it, support, yeah, we could flush sub 200. Let's say we have margin call Monday, then yeah. But we have a lot of levels of upside, right? And just short term, all I'm looking for is basically a breakout over the previous swing high. So let's just clean this up. Let's use actually a blank chart, right? Let's dive deep into it. So if we take out really 250. Or even yesterday's high. So what's yesterday's high? 249. Remember how we rejected 250 on Wednesday during that big short squeeze? We rejected it. We call that a bull trap and then faded. And then we had a gap down with the market. Really everything sold off yesterday. So, but really we started taking out these prior highs. I mean, we could squeeze and then we take out 250, 252. But what I'm going to do at the open is sell half my TSL or Tesla, 2x leveraged. And then I'll probably keep the rest on for a big rally on Monday. I think they wrote that in the document. Let me just make sure. So it is a very contrarian point of view. Oh, we got to change that Tesla up overnight. Oh, let's put half. TSL March. And TSLL shares up 5%. All right. Oh, and then let me make sure that's added to the, thank you. Perfect. But I don't think anyone's bullish right now. So that's why I've been leaning bullish. I'm just trying to think of what everyone else is doing and do the opposite. And what I mean by that is, if you look at the emotional point of view of trading, so Monday was all the bad news on Tesla. So what happened? Sells or sell stops. If you were long, you got triggered. So basically everyone got flushed out here. We call that the flush. Then after a flush, when all the sell orders are gone, you have a short squeeze. And you had Trump pump Tesla. I mean, it was a massive short squeeze. And then you have yesterday, which was the hangover. So everyone who bought up here thinking Tesla's going to the moon, they lose money. And then today we have what we call a relief rally. So it's just, yay, the world's not ending in Tesla. So that's why I'm going to sell half the position. And then Monday, if we don't have margin call Monday or doomsday Monday, maybe we start printing over these highs and get back to 255, 260, and then everything is fine and dandy again. But yeah, we'll see. We shall. What's my take on TKO? I've been buying so much damn stock in this. I bought 40 grand in TKO yesterday. So I don't know, but I'm up. I'm not up. I'm up 2%. And I was up 15% earlier this year. So I've just been buying more. I've basically been taking all my cash and buying TKO. So I had that. I've been buying TKO, mid caps, and small caps. So am I going to be right? I don't know. But I had cash and I was getting 4.25% on it. And, that's great. But I've been putting it to work. So I don't know if I'm right, but I can only tell you what I did with my money. The Russell, I mean, it looks horrible, right? This probably is the worst chart in the whole market because small caps are very sensitive to interest rates and, borrowing. So when you have to borrow at higher cost, it's bad for small companies. I mean, it looks horrible, right? But you could say one big H cell pattern, right? Yeah, but I did. So I mean, maybe we take out 191. I don't know. It really just depends if margin call Monday hits. But I've been buying mid caps, small caps. Mindy, you could look at minus the I for mid cap, MDY. I mean, if the world ends, great. I'll be a bag holder, but I don't know. I like all these dips. The VIX is starting to come down. Yay, yay, yay. Hoorah. The yen is down today. So that should be good for stonks, right? It's a big move for the yen. Bonds are down. That should be good for stocks. China's pretty bid up. That should be good for stocks. I mean, BABA could hit a new 52-week high next week. I mean, I get the bearish case, but at what point do you not start seeing a relief rally? Amazon looks good. Nvidia's starting to bounce. Where are we Nvidia pre-market? 118, 119? Micron had some calls. Marvell had some calls. Yeah, look at Marvell. The stock's down 50%. I mean, I don't know how you just don't start peppering in. Micron has earnings next week. So that could be a trigger for stocks going, for chips, I should say. I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb long. Avgo, you filled the gap. I mean, these are good things. Yeah, I mean, more good. You might get chopped up, so just do call spreads. William says, sell everything, depression coming. I mean, I get the case. I do. I should have waited till 10 p.m. yesterday or 10 a.m. for XSP yesterday, but I did those. I got filled at the open because I was showing y'all how to do it. But if we, as long as we don't have a 1% move pre-market, then I think it's okay. So like today, let's see where the market makers are implying. So it would basically be, where's the SPX? So it would basically be $552 in the SPY. So 552 in the SPY. So that would be on XXP. Well, we would, wherever we open. So what are we up? 50 in the S&P futures. Yeah, so we're looking about a three-point move. $3 move. $4 move. So basically, wherever we open up, you just do $4 minus it. So it'd be what, 548? SPY would be $4, 550 or 550, 556. So $4, 552. You'd want to sell the 552 puts, buy the 551 puts. I'll post on Telegram though, but I'm going to be real busy this morning, gang. I got onion calls. I got some love still. Those love calls moved up to 70% yesterday. They moved 70% yesterday, intraday. Look at this here. Let me see if y'all are seeing the screen. And they were April, 14,000 love calls. So this is Elliott, the hedge fund. Look at this here. And just to prove, you could tell, just to show y'all for real. They bought the calls at 70 cents to 75 cents in love. Here, let me get a better chart. Can I get a blank chart? Here we go. All right, here we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. I bought these at 64. So you could see they bought 12,415 calls. I bought the calls down here. They actually traded 61. And then they traded up to $1.15 yesterday. So that was almost a double. Obviously, I'm not perfect. I'm not going to sell at 115. 79% intraday for April calls. Why? Because they also came back and bought more calls. So did y'all see them buy April calls too? So they also came back, or March calls, and they bought, where's the penny option? Where are you, my dear? In love. So this is Elliott. They also bought the March 31 and a half calls. So that's why love was so lovely yesterday. So all these people, and I'll wrap up with this. Are love calls still a buy? I mean, I'll sell them. I'll sell them at 100% profit to you. So, I mean, that's what, again, you have to ask yourself that as a trader. You really want to buy calls that are up 100%? You know, again, get the news flow scanner, get the penny option scanner. I mean, again, I can only tell you exactly what happens on the scanners, but you can get the scanners and you could do it for yourself. That's why I made them. And I spent, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars to get these to y'all. So, you know, again, it's I want y'all to be able to do this in real time, not try to be late to the party, you know, because by the time, you know, I'm selling and everyone's selling and you're buying, you're 2 steps ahead of the time. Jason said he made 85% on love calls. You did the weeklies. You're my kind of guy. Would I sell the onion at the open? Yeah, I'm probably going to sell the onion at the open just because they expired today. And I think I have a scanner training at 10 a.m. and then I have a warped option training at 10:30. So I literally have 30 minutes to do my thing. And then that's it. You know, so I don't have a lot of time today to sit in positions and be able. What I'll probably just do is try to get a double out of them. So I don't know what y'all are seeing now. So I bought them at 75, try to sell some at 150. 150 contracts. Oh God. No, I actually only got filled on 9. I tried buying 20 and they only filled me on 9. Rat bastards. All right. So I'm going to try to get a double in them. And then for TSLL, where are you, my love? What did we buy these at? $1.30. Let's try to get $1.65 at least. And then we'll look to scale out if it keeps going up. All right, I think that's it. I got to go. Adios. See everyone in 30 minutes and then at 10:30 as well. Okay? Ciao, ciao, ciao. TSLL, $1.60. Hey. Oh shit! What did I do? They're at $1.50. God darn it! I am fat fingering on Robinhood out the ass, aren't I? And they're $1.60, $1.65. Sold at $1.50. The onion. That's a double, baby. That's a double, baby. Woo, the onion. Ooh, onion. Woo, wee. The onion. The onion. Woo, wee. Where's Tesla? 30% Tesla. Let's sell some more. $1.68. Heck yeah, brother. Let's sell some more. Let's try $1.75. $1.73. Woo wee. Let's sell more. Feeding the ducks. Feeding the ducks. That's all we do. Feed the ducks. How many shares do I have of this? Sometimes I really hate the not enough. Oh, I only have 3 contracts left. What has not gotten filled? I'm going to sell more TSLL. All right. So what are my full prices? Love up 2%. Oh my God. Let's close out Love too. $1.73 in TSLL. All right. I got to end the stream. See everyone in a little bit. 173. 33%. All right. Adios. Bye, everyone. Where do I exit out of this? Sell Love. Shadow Trader. Sell Love. That's next. Let me send out the alert. I have so many things. How do I get out of the stream? Hey, I don't know how to end the stream. I got to send these alerts. Deanna, can you end the screen and send a Shadow Trader for Love? I don't know how I got into this thing. I'm sending out an alert now for